You know, I'm shocked. I'm surprised, Nami, because I'm thinking, good Taibo, what's happening here? You know, because I'm supposed to be. Oh, sorry. I'm thinking, good what's going on here? Because Daddy Megek Biza. Usually, you're thinking it's prayer. You know, Aibo. Now we sit here again. Rumin like Daddy, Mofia Rumin like Daddy. Daddy. Itimina yakhe akusile ngijwayele yakababa yabona avela jika namehla khajikile ngisunderstand ukuthi kwenzakalani avela athi oya Sinclair ngithi yes daddy athi oya take your pants down guys osikhathi like ngathi you are take your pants down hayibo ngimbheke ngigabaza athi please take your pants down siyathetha manje uvela uyehlise ukhumule atoya take your clothes off vele ukhumule atoya lie down ulaya kuphi njalo lie down ngilala phansi phela awukumbhede lapho kulela office mamela it was a carpet lale phansi mengilala phansi ke lapho avele angikhwele mengikhwela kanjalo into engayizwa nje ukuthi nje khona nje bongazi ukuthi silwane noma umuntu kodwa khona into ephefumulayo la kuwena uyezwa nje ukuthi something ephefumulayo but ubhlungu obuzwayo you don't understand ukuthi what is going on. I think kuleyo situation usunam nje usuphelelwe like imizwa my emotions and at the same time uyazibona ukuthi hayibo ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngila kodwa Nkosi yami akusiyimina lona ngiyaphupha iphupho elikhulu leli iphupho leli this is not happening uma seqedile kanjalo ke nawe udaddy ke mayiqedile nawe uvela phakame asukume athathi unebaslaphu emhlophe thathi baslaphu yakhe emhlophe athoya open avela thathi baslaphu akusule yena ngaphakathi ayithathi baslaphu ayibophele angaze ayibeke kusinye isikhama athoya put on your clothes go out so kanjalo nje uqedile ngawo
akho mhlambi nokuthi akuqabuleke mbijana
so mawuphuma mawehla uhlangana naye lo ubhiso la lokise lapha ya so mawehla wena ke ubhiso la manje mehlangana nawo buka mesohlangana naye ubhiso la moseyehlile downstairs akusukuthi unendaba ngokuthi unjani how are you no ugadile manje ukuthi ukhuluma nobani like sekagade your moves ukuthi how are you behaving normal
udaddy lapha akho mhlambe comfort inyana kunika yona ukuthi uzizwe mhlambe ungconywana no bhiso la naye into
ubhiso la ngaso sikhathi masowehlile idebhiso vela athi oya sister Sinclair oya Ron choristers are rehearsing so you go back as if everything is normal
okay so akasho nokuthi ena ungayikhulumi
nothing is being said to you uqhubeke nawe but every corner subona ubhiso la and manje so awusakwazi ukuthi ubehave kanjani manje ngoba awazi ukuthi uyazi number 1 ukuthi if ngayikhuluma lento ebusuku kuzoba ne-meeting kule meeting ngizobhonya so bagadile manje ukuthi ubehave kanjani behaving strangely we understand so usu monitored so uyazi ukuthi whatever but at the same time ingqondo ayivumi ukwamukela ukuthi hayibo udade uqeda ukungenza into enjena
nje phela angithi ngikhandiwe ukuthi ningayicabanga izinto ezimbi ngodade ngoba mawuyicabange ukuthi umqondo ngeke umuntu kaNkulunkulu lo muntu kaNkulunkulu
uyabona uyabuzwa
buka into yokuthi awusakwazi manje ukuthi you can't tell ukuthi ngempela yenzekile noma ngiyayiphupha lento but mawuye bathroom muyithinta ngaphansi uyanuka uyezwa manje ukuthi no khona into yenzekile la kumina but then life continues ngaleso sikhathi ngalelo langa ke it's a day ozosebenza kakhulu ke bese after about 2-3 hours meeting kuleyo meeting awazi noma udade ubheke emehlweni noma umshalazele awazi ukuthi wenzeni but kuleyo meeting for some reason he will pick on you
athi
uzo pick on you athi oya Sinclair stand up usukumeke wena ke athi anyone here who has a problem with sister Sinclair hayi abantu ngathi ba prepariwe ukuthi nje bakuthele ngeinkinga zokuthi wenzeni just to break you. And that's why they are doing all of this to break you mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Ukuthi je ubone ukuthi ubone ukuthi la ekhaya whatever happens, 1 awutshela umuntu, number 2 udade masezishuba akalithathela igama. Ngesikhathi you're hoping ukuthi uzokholwa wena because hey Bob dade uqeda ukunyukubeza le ngaphezulu lutho nix akakubona ukuthi izivaseliphiga ibhodo
ukwenza lokho wakwenza lokho kuwena kangani wakwenza kanye waqeda ngawe awu noma waphinde futhi kwaqhubeka
no ngoba into eqhubekayo ukuthi nje uyazi nje makuthiwa sister Sinclair daddy is calling you mama sister Sinclair daddy is calling you and then mama 5 story
Yeah.
Uyazi ke 5-story building. Uyazi ukuthi hayi sokuzoyenzeka, it's going to happen. I mean, even it happened nase Crusade. Saya ku Crusade na Singapore. It happened nakhona futhi lapho. I mean, uDaddy bekalala in a different hotel from us.
Yeah.
But then you will get a call in your room ukuba ngasikhathi mina ke so funny. Ngasikhathi ku Crusade e Singapore bengilala no Bisola nomfazi kaDaddy. Ama rooms wethu were interleading.
Yeah.
Twa uBisola afike imathi oya seclair. Daddy wants you. Like already ubheka ngale look yokuthi uyazi ufune kwenzakaleni. So uzoya downstairs ugitshezwe emotweni drive to his hotel room. Mafika hotel room yakhe labo sithi abaculayo abawu3. The famous ones abacula enkonzweni yakhe uN uAnu no boss bakhona lapho ibona abampekelayo. Mawufika lapho uku presidential suite. So mawungena vele lounge khishi. Uya straight ekamereni. Mawufika uDaddy velathi oya. Makathi oya so uyazi vele ukhumuleke nawe vele ulaleke phela ke. Enza into ayenzayo ngawaqedeke.
Konke lokhu umukhulelwa kwenzekana akwazi ufinyelele isimini ukuthi ukhulelwe ke manje.
Right, problem comes musukhulelwe. Awusaye esikhathini ke manje so ukhulelwe. Funeka uyobika phela manje nakhona mawubika futhi angeke uvele uyotshela noma yini noma ubani. Uzoya like mina for example ngaya ku Bisola ngathi sister Bisola see you. Hey, this my period is not coming again. Athi sister Bisola for how long? Ngithi it hasn't been coming this whole month. I don't get it again. So most people bazo to speak as a Lapi pidgin English. I stayed in Nigeria, guys.
Yes.
Then that's when I discovered ukuthi kune clinic underground esontweni. Through pops. Underground. Yabona lapha nima khona nthandaza niyanithi Jesus is Lord ikule auditorium. Underground lapho kune clinic, full-fledged clinic, full-fledged clinic. Kuno nurse, kuno dokotela, full-fledged. Wangithatha uBisola ngaya lapha eNzansi, but oyaphi? Bayathatha pregnancy stick.
But yeah.
Mayithi positive. Oya no problem. Oya sleep on the bed now. So uyalaliswa embedeni. Full-fledged clinic. I can still yabona ngiba traumatized when ngicabanga because mina lapha because when I had 3 abortions. 3 abortions because ngathi Josh.
Bakhiphisa isisu kathathu.
3. Mamela uyathathwa and nakhona futhi mawulaliswa embedeni. Akunegotiate lapha kuthiwa hayi it's my body ngifuna ukugcina lesisu no uyathatha ulaliswa bese inyawo zakho bazibeka so ngathi inkukhu yes bakubophe so inyawo lele so uvula inyawo bakubophe inyawo then uzofika usister mayifika usister ufika nento engathi insimbi yes into yaziyo nje iwarm lento vela ayifaka ithi go ingaphakathi kwakho mase ingelile ngaphakathi uyayitwista mayiceda ukuyitwista kanjalo kuvela ukuthi qhu yes so khona into ayihlabile ngaphakathi kwakho wayitwista and then makayidonsa ukuthi wena you can feel ingaphakathi yakho ukuthi khona into edonsekayo kuvela ukuthi qhu yes mayiceda ukuthi qhu kanjalo avela ayidonse nayo ke from that time uzowopha sisi you will bleed like crazy but muwopha ucabanga ukuthi ngiqedile erumini lutho uhlala lapha eNzansi until uqeda ukupha mawopha kanjalo ufaka ama pads lawo ama pads mawafakiwe ayathatha afake eplasticini agcinywe lapho athatha eplasticini agcinywe lapho
yibo agcinwa
yibona phela ngisho uhamba ungakaqedi ukupha so uhlala lapho and mase uqedile ukupha ke wena ke ilapho ke level 2 lapho so introduce khona ke intweni zakhona ke manje ngoba phela igazi lami angithi yimbe ngopha nisho uthola ukuthi ngidlale lapho 7 days
ne uhlala clinic 7 days
awuphuma uwopha
Bonani guys, welcome back to yet another video guys. Well, for some of us, you'd know, or some of us, we've actually watched the BBC documentary, the TB Joshua documentary, where Usihle was actually, Sihle, the lady on the video, was actually speaking about this whole thing of her experience in Nigeria, serving underneath TB Joshua. And when I was listening to this, guys, my jaw kept dropping because I'm just like, what? And mind you, this lady, guys, she has been trying to talk or make awareness about this for quite a while. But, you know, other people on social media are just like, she's just telling lies. A lot of people think she's telling lies. She tells lies to make money and all of that. I don't know, you guys, but I personally do believe it. And I think it's crazy for me that she's not the only one who has came out and spoke about her experience at that synagogue church. I think it's crazy that till today, even though TV Joshua has passed away, there's still some people who follow him, guys, who watch his videos religiously, you guys. Now, you'd remember even after, you guys, Usihle, actually, after the BBC documentary actually came out, if I'm not mistaken, few days later, Usihle's daughter passed away, and some people actually were thinking that her daughter's passing had to do with her actually opening up and talking about this whole story, which Usihle came out on YouTube. She clarified that whole thing. It was such a sad thing that she was going through, like having to relive all of that you went through, and while you're reliving it for the whole world to judge you all over again. Because a lot of South Africans judge her. A lot of people are like, I bought this one, she goes around sleeping around with men and whatnot, and she's coming to lie. Like reliving all of that and hearing all of that, and then few days later only to hear that your daughter was perfectly fine, okay, not sick at all, passing away in Kanjani. I feel like this lady has been through the most. Anyway, guys, tell me, what are your thoughts and your sentiments about everything that you heard? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.